Hi, this is J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Services, and I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out my YouTube video on today. But before we get into the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. That way you can stay up to date on all my travel videos. I post a lot of cruise tours, a lot of tours of different cruise ports and reviews. So just recently in November of 2018, I had the opportunity of going on an 11-day cruise, and during that cruise, one of our ports was actually St. Maarten. While I was in St. Maarten, we did a tour of the island, and we did notice that the island was still very devastated from the hurricanes that took place in 2017. So on our tour, it was kind of depressing just because where our tour guide took us, we saw a lot of hurricane damage, a lot of buildings torn down. We saw a lot of hotels that were still closed. At least our tour guide told us during our tour that about 90 to 95% of the hotels, I believe, were still not open back up and still closed. So it just wasn't what I had expected for the cruise ship to be porting there, but they do say that they need a lot of tourism there, but they also do need to some help in getting that island cleaned up. So as you take a look at this video, you'll see some of the places that we went to and stops that we made on our tour of St. Maarten. We went to the Dutch side and the French side, as well as we did stop by one of the local marketplaces to get some food, but we did go by some beaches. We didn't actually go swim at any of the beaches, but we did go by some of the beaches, went past the airport, as well as we went past a lot of the hotels and into some of the neighborhoods.
Thank you, young lady. Telling me on vacation.
After I say on and on, we're trying to build back up and get it back. Yeah, hopefully one of the good days. I hope not. We living in a hurricane zone. Sometimes